Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to animate parts in Roblox Studio. We're going to make a simple moving platform that can actually push your character up and down. It's really fun and useful. Alright, let's get started. First, insert a sphere part. Go ahead and change its color to a dark blue. This is going to be our root part. Now add a brick part. Stretch it out into a flat platform and place it right above the sphere. Let's make this one bright green so it stands out. Next, just move both parts away from the default spawn area so we have some space. Now rename them. Select both parts and press Ctrl+G or Command+G on Mac to group them into a model. With the model selected, click the little plus icon and add an animation controller. Then add a Motor6D. Now select the root part and anchor it. Next, we will configure Motor6D for animation. Select it, then scroll down to find Part 0 and Part 1 property. After that, set Part 0 to root, Part 1 to moving. You'll see the parts snap together. That's exactly what we want. Now go up to the Avatar tab and open the Animation Editor. Click your model to start animating. Hit the plus button and create a new animation track. Select the moving part. You'll see position and rotation. These are what we'll animate. Change those values to preview animation of moving part. Make sure at the very start everything is set to 0. Now move the timeline to around 0.5 seconds. Then increase the Y position. Try something like 12. And that's it. You've just created motion. You can also tweak rotation if you want a bit more style. Give your animation a name. Publish it to Roblox. And copy the animation ID. You'll need that in a second. Now insert a script into the model and paste this in. Just replace that ID with your own.
You can find this code under video description.
Hit play and try it out. You can jump on the platform and it'll move you up and down. Pretty cool, right? Oh, and quick tip, if you don't want to see the root part, just set its transparency to 1. And that's it. Super simple way to animate parts in Roblox Studio. If this helped you, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.